I'm diving into some hidden side hustles you probably haven't heard of yet, and I'm challenging myself to make money from each one in just a week. Hidden side hustles are exactly what you need to take your income to the next level in today's economy. The traditional 9-to-5 grind just isn't cutting it for many of us, and finding ways to supplement our income has become a necessity. But we know that finding the right side hustle can be tough. The ones everyone knows about are oversaturated, and it's hard to stand out in a crowded market. The truth is, most of us are stuck in a rut when it comes to side hustles. We think we know what's out there, and we settle for the same old options. But what if I told you there are hidden gems waiting to be discovered? Opportunities that most people don't know about, and that can actually bring in some serious cash? The problem is, we often don't know where to look, and we end up settling for the same old tired ideas that everyone else is doing. And let's be real. Who wants to be another dog walker or freelance writer in a sea of dog walkers and freelance writers? That's why it's so important to think outside the box and explore unique opportunities that can help you stand out from the crowd. And that's exactly what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to share some hidden side hustles that you probably haven't heard of before, and I'm going to challenge myself to make money from each one in just a week. So if you're tired of the same old side hustles and you're ready to think outside the box, keep watching, because we're about to dive into some game-changing opportunities. Okay, so the first hidden side hustle I want to share with you is called online juror. You can actually get paid to participate in online jury focus groups, and it's a great way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Next up is website testing. You can make money by testing out websites and giving feedback on user experience. And if you're into gaming, you can actually make money by playing video games and streaming them online. Another one I want to share is called affiliate marketing for influencers. It's a way for influencers to make money by promoting products and services to their followers. Another hidden side hustle I want to share with you is called drop servicing. It's a way to offer high-ticket services to clients without actually having to do the work yourself. And finally, I want to share with you something called online business brokering. It's a way to make money by buying and selling online businesses. Out of all these hidden side hustles, the one that I think is the most intriguing is online business brokering. I mean, who wouldn't want to make money by buying and selling online businesses? It's like flipping houses, but instead of physical properties, you're working with websites and online assets. I actually know someone who made a killing in this industry, and their story is really inspiring. They were able to turn a small investment into a 6-figure income, all by buying and selling online businesses. So what I love about online business brokering is that it's a hidden side hustle that's full of potential. It's not oversaturated, and there's still room to make a real impact and build a successful business. And the best part is, you don't need a ton of experience or capital to get started. So to recap, today we explored some hidden side hustles that you may not have considered before. From online juror to online business brokering, we talked about some unique opportunities that can help you stand out from the crowd and make some serious cash. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below on which side hustle you found the most interesting. And if you want to learn more about making money online, be sure to check out my other video on side hustle tips and ideas.